Hey, it's Ray Bunny and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing something super exciting. And thank you so much to JPFANS for making this all possible. So today we're opening the biggest Gyaru haul from Mercari, Japan I've ever had, ever. Oh, you know in Tamagotchi life, when they're eating and they go, that's me. This is my box that I received from JPFANS, which pretty much is a proxy service for Japanese Mercari, but more about that later. This is my second box from JPFANS. The first box had this. I'll link the little unboxing right here. This one is bigger and better, and I'm so excited to show you guys this. I did cheat a little bit because I already opened it. I didn't look at anything that was in it except for this. I pulled it out because I really wanted to wear it earlier this week because I thought it would go perfectly with my outfit. So let me just like show you guys what that was first. If you see this, this is my mic, guys. Just ignore it, just ignore it. All right, so I got this. So this literally is like one of my dream dresses, and I don't know if you guys know, but I really want to get the Alberosa blanket jacket so bad. Genuinely, it is like one of my dream items. Like I would die for that. I would die for that jacket. If it wasn't $500 or more, I want it so bad. But I found this dress, which is literally it's the exact same pattern, except it's a dress form. So yes, this is one of my dream dresses. So obviously I had to open it. I love Alberosa. It's my favorite gal brand ever. So thank you so much to JPFANS for making that possible for me to get my hands on this amazing dress. We have a word from today's sponsor, obviously, JPFANS. Thank you, JPFANS, for sponsoring this video. And now on to how to use it. This is what it looks like. It's super easy. And the way I use it is just by looking up the brand name. So let's say Alberosa, which I love Alberosa. And you can change it here on the top to English and Japanese. And I usually just go for English just because it's easier. And then you have all of these options, actually way more than the last time I checked, so many. And here's my little tip and trick, is to go into one that you really like and press original product link. This is going to take you to the official Japanese Mercari website. And if you go down underneath, you can find a whole bunch of related items as well as different pricing, different listings of like a similar type of item, if you will. And then you can go ahead and copy that link into JPFANS and it will open it up easily on JPFANS. So if you have anything on Japanese Mercari that you are struggling to find on JPFANS, you can literally just copy the link and then add it to your cart, and it's as simple as that. They will send you pictures of the items once it reaches the warehouse, which is really useful because if you can see the condition it is, the quality, and then once you get enough, you can submit it down here and it'll give you everything you have to pay, the shipping, everything. If you click the link in my YouTube description and sign up, you can get $86 of shipping coupons, and it will seriously help me as well. So if you want to support me as well as get a whole bunch of coupons to get a bunch of Japanese Mercari items, click that link in the description. This is 100% stamped by Ray Bunny. And thank you again for JPFANS for all the items and also sponsoring this YouTube video. Thank you. Go click the link in the description. Bye. I barely actually remember what I got. This is the box. So let's just get right into it. Let's stop yapping. Let's just get into it. Okay, I see something that I do remember purchasing. Guys. There's so many items that I wanted for so long, and now that I actually have them in my possession, I feel like they're not real. This is one of them. This is a vintage, I'm actually not sure when it's from, I think it's early 2000s, Hello Kitty onesie. Oh my god, and it's huge. huge. What if I just abandon this whole outfit and just wear this onesie the whole time? Stay tuned for the end of the video because that's when I'm going to be showing and trying on everything. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this is amazing quality, and you can tell that it's vintage by how nice the texture is. It's like not printed on, like this is the fabric. It's amazing. I'm actually kind of shaking right now. I've been wanting a onesie to do this. I always forget the name of the substyle, but I have been wanting one for so long, and I'm so excited that I finally have this in my possession. I will be wearing this. It's a little too hot for this right now. Will I still be wearing it? 100% yes. And it looks like it's gonna fit me like a freaking glove. So I'm very, very excited if you can't tell. I bought a lot of like little things. Wow. Guys, what? I didn't forget about this, but I'm excited about it. Let's open it. You don't know, I am the biggest Hangyodan stan. Whoever is another Hangyodan stan is not a Hangyodan stan like I'm a Hangyodan stan. I love my Hangdong. I love him. So this is perfect, especially for when I'm doing my get ready with me as a Gyaru, because I always need a little compact mirror. This one is just gonna be absolutely freaking lovely. Even my, if I knew where it was, that'd be really helpful, yeah. I will try to find my way from you. My phone is somewhere and doesn't have a phone case, but this is my phone case, and this, guys, like, sorry. Let's open this. I'm so dramatic. Can we talk about how well this is kept? This is literally fresh out the frickin' box. Like, it even has the wrapper on it, which is so great. Calm yourself down, queen. But next item. Ooh, this is a lot smaller than I thought it was, but another Hangyodan item. This is freaking cute. There's a keychain. I'm already seeing the keychain. I'm already seeing it. Mama like a keychain. So tiny. I thought it was gonna be like a regular sized fan, but it's not. It's fine. It's like a cute little keychain, and it's Hangyodan. Okay, let's not play now. Let's not play now. Oh my god, it's super freaking cute. But mom, I just love him so much. I just love him. Next. Ooh, oh my god, there's so many things in here that I forgot. Little sneak peek. Ooh, amazingly packaged, might I add. I completely forgot that I bought these, but I bought these this jewelry set. Very, very cute. Oh goodness, I hope it's not, and it matches my skirt. You guys can't see. It like literally disappears into the skirt. So I got this necklace. Focus on me, focus on me. Super pretty. It's really gal. It's super Mars. And I also got, ignore that this spot, just ignore it. You literally cannot see it because they're so cute and dainty, but these are cute little earrings. And then we got two matching bracelets. I think this is a bracelet if I'm not mistaken. It might be a small little necklace, but I know this is a bracelet. But it's super cute and gal, and actually would have worked really well with the fit that I'm wearing right now. Where's the original packaging? Next item. This is something that's literally, it's just a little guilty pleasure thing that I bought for myself. And these two things are gal items. Let's do the guilty pleasure thing first, because she's staring at me and I want to see her. Oh my god. Guys, it's the Skull Panda X Wednesday collab. And the amazing part about JPFANS is that I found it the cheapest on Japanese Mercari. I looked for this on regular Mercari. I looked at this on Depop, and they were all so expensive. The cheapest on Japanese Mercari. So I was like, why not? I just pack it all with everything else. I bought it. I've been wanting this for so long. And I finally got it. So I'm very excited. Oh my god. You see, when I like things, I like them a lot. Hence, Wednesday. This whole box, it's like Christmas. Christmas come true. Oh, she's beautiful. Oh my god, also this box is so freaking cute. If I can find a space in my tiny apartment for this. The scariest part about these unboxing videos is just me trying to open the damn packages, guys, because come on. I don't think anyone has told you how hard it is to open packages with long nails. I've always struggled to open packages, always, but now with long nails, it's even harder. So that's just wonderful. Gonna let her out of her prison. My angel has come home. Here she is. Oh my God, she's so beautiful. Look, I'll put her, yeah. Okay, next thing, we're down to the bottom. Okay, I went a little Alba Rosa crazy. Every time I'm on JPFANS, I look for Alba Rosa. Yes, I do, because I have a problem, but oh my God. Oh, it's so small. Oh, that's okay. It was very cheap. It's a mini Alba Rosa bag, guys, and it's also like literally so cute. I genuinely thought this would be at least like a purse size, which is about like this big, but that's fine. I actually don't care that it's so small. It's very, very cute. I can actually display it a lot easier now that it's tinier, which is really nice. I have like a missing spot right here, which I could probably display it. Might I add, there's no smells to any of these. I feel like sometimes when you get like secondhand items, there's like sort of like kind of smells. Not on these ones, babe. None. Zero. Okay. Next, this is a wallet. I've been needing to get a new wallet because my wallet is so old. Guys, if you see my address, that's so annoying. This is by Rocco Nails, which is another gal brand, or was very popular in gal magazines. I actually found this brand by looking at my gal magazine and like actually reading the brands and then looking it up into Japanese Mercari to see if they had anything. And they had this, and it's literally perfect for me. I mean, it's my colors. It's actually so gorgeous. It's in perfect mint condition. Oh my God, this is an amazing wallet. So it has obviously the Rocco. It has the, oh my God. Okay, this is so much nicer than my wallet that I have right now. There's like a little picture for your like ID or whatever. And then it opens up and there's more cards. And there's another card thing here. And when you open it, there is a little coin pouch or card pouch. So if you're a girl with a lot of cards, if you're a girl with a lot of money, this is the one for you, but it's only not for you because it's for me because I found it. But you could find your own maybe. And there is a cute little layer on the inside of the wallet to separate all of the loads of cash that you're gonna have by being so hot and sexy. Duh. Guys, this is how you know this is vintage or old, because there's things like a lining. Linings don't exist anymore because companies don't care. But when you get old stuff, people, this also smells amazing. It literally smells like the beach. Smells like it's fresh out of the mall. Like, it's an amazing smell. It has like little hibiscuses on it. So I will be taking this around everywhere. Next. Okay. We're getting down to the last 2 items. Okay, guys. Ta-da! Take a look and marvel at this bag. I'm gonna marvel at this bag because holy shit, this bag is freaking beautiful. Guys, I'm not even putting my reactions on. Like, these are genuinely my reactions. Like, I'm kind of gagged at the quality of some of these items. Rocco Nails does not freaking play around, man. The material of, like, can you hear it? Like, it is dirty, like, bag material. There's 2 pockets in the front. This might be one of my favorite bags, actually, ever, maybe, honestly. Hello. Last, but very, 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 very much so not least, I got this towel. What am I gonna do with a beach towel? Beats me. I don't know. I might be too scared to use this as an actual towel too, because it's like Alba Rosa. I'm not really sure why I bought it, but I just couldn't resist. I literally could not resist. I think I might have to stand up for this. Let's see. I actually haven't seen it in full either. Okay. It's so pretty. And of course it says Alba Rosa there in the corner. It is literally huge. Takes up the whole screen, takes up my whole bed. Love.
Love.
George Michael.
Love.
Mr. Motivator.
Love that.
I love it. I love it. I love it. If I had wall space, I would display this on my wall somewhere. Ah, it's so pretty. but I'm very excited to add this to my collection. I'm an Alberosa fiend. Very soon I'm gonna have the blanket set, I'm gonna have the jacket. Whenever I got the money, I'm gonna get that. But that is it. That is it for the unboxing portion of this video. I am back in my closet area. This is my closet right here. And I took a little intermission. My sister got me a cheese coin. It's a little flattened, but let's take a little bite out of it. I've been craving one of these for so long. I also got boba from Tea Makers in K-Town. Literally feels like Christmas. This is amazing. Hold on. You have to eat it while it's still hot. Okay, time to do a try on. So I wanted to show you guys all the old things that I got from the last haul, but it turns out my closet is such a mess that I have no idea where my first Alberosa dress is. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like when I wear it. It's my favorite dress in the world. I literally wear it all the time. I wore it like 3 days when I was in Thailand. I wore it to LOL Fan Fest. If you know, you know. I also got this from the last haul, as I mentioned earlier. And these are some of the best things that I got. I actually didn't get any magazines this time. Can you see this? Yes, you can. I got, I'll put in a close-up, but I got this, which is a Ageha magazine. And I got, actually not this one, and I got this one too, as well as this leopard print Monchichi thing. Some of my, very much so, my prized possessions. I love them so much. I love them down. I had also gotten these egg hair stickies. I know egg is controversial, but literally just look how cute this is, just even as like an accessory. Really cute and super gal, so you know, I had to get them. Okay, now it's time for the try on. Can we talk about this? Can we talk about this really quick? Guys, let's put on the hood. This might actually be my final form. This genuinely might be my final form. Meow, 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 meow. I think I'm just gonna stay in this the entire video, but let's try the bags on my shoulder, all right? Let's try it. I feel amazing. This is literally the most confident I've ever felt in my life. And also for the Alberosa dress that I got, this is what I look like in it, because I am not about to take this off to put that on. I'm sorry, but let's get a reaction from Barry and MJ. Ready? Hey guys.
Wow.
Hey guys.
Hello? Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute, I love how bad he is. Very cute. I like the little tail.
There's a tail?
Oh,
Guys, there's a tail too.
so very cute.
Thanks. Okay, bye.
That's all you wanted.
Yeah, I wanted your reaction.
You look like this all the
That's what I'm saying.
Hey, hello, Bonnies. Hello, nice to see you.
Say thank you to JPFANS.
Thank you, JPFANS.
Okay. So yeah, that was their reaction. Yeah, that's exactly how I feel. So anyways, I'm gonna end the video here. So thank you so much, JPFANS, for being officially my first YouTube sponsor. Thank you all for supporting me endlessly and being the kindest, sweetest people that I could ever ask for. Please go check out my link in my bio, comment, Hello Kitty. And as always, get wild, be sexy, stay weird, be yourself. Tell me anything that you guys want me to talk about, because I have had a couple different videos for the past few videos. If you guys want any more advice and style content, please let me know what you want to hear, what you want to see, what you want me to talk about, and I will get to the ones that I like to do. And yeah, I love reading your guys' comments and all of that jazz. Subscribe, like, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!